The end of the year is coming up quick. If you need a power distribution system for plant turnarounds and need it on site by Christmas, now is your last chance to order custom units. The Larson Electronics workshop is in full swing, but there's still time to get us your requirements for a custom power distribution system or portable panel. We offer power distribution panels with kVA transformers from 7.5 kVA and below, and up to 150 kVA or greater, supplying a system for any sized application. Our systems include portability features for easy use, such as upright dolly carts for easy movement around the work area, cubic frames with smooth rolling wheels to move larger units, skid pockets allowing forklifts to pick up and move the units where needed, pick eyes for cranes, jibs, and other hoisting equipment to easily pick up the equipment. Customizable features include input and output voltages, line-in cables, cord caps, receptacles, transformer sizes, the addition or removal of features such as wheels, types of coatings and finishes. To grab your customized power distribution or portable panel, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.